Ayan, now here is our sample problem number 33. Basahin muna natin. So, dito. So, a mercury barometer at the base of the mountain reads 724 mm. At the same time, another barometer at the top of the mountain reads 580 mm, assuming W, or the weight of air, to be constant at 12 Newton per cubic meter. What is the approximate height of the mountain? So, pinapahanap sa atin yung height daw ng mountain. So, for example, ayan, let's draw yung mountain natin. So, dito na lang. So, for example, ganyan yung mountain natin. Ayan. Ayan. So, ang sabi, meron daw tayong manometer. So, palitan natin ang kulay. So, dito daw sa baba, meron daw tayong barometer dito. Ayan. And then, it reads 724 mm. And then, another barometer, ayan. So, top of the mountain and reads 580, ayan, mm daw. And then, may binigay sa atin na unit weight ng air, ayan, which is 12 Newton per cubic meter. Now, pinapahanap sa atin, ano daw yung height nitong mountain. So, let's say, h, m na lang for the height ng mountain, ayan. So, dito, pwede natin gamitin yung so pressure. So, let's say, ito is 0.1, ayan. Let's say 0.1. And then, ito yung 0.2 natin, ayan. So, difference in pressure siya. So, 0.2 or the P2 minus P1 is equal to gamma ng air, times yung height ng mountain. Ayan. So, pressure, gamma H. Ayan. So, gamma ng pressure 2 minus yung gamma H ng pressure 1. Ayan. And then, yung gamma ng air or the unit weight ng air, which is 12 Newton per cubic meter, times yung hinahanap natin na height ng mountain. Ayan, so, dito, ayan, yung unit weight, ayan, so, ang, ano natin is mercury. Ayan, so, mercury, so, 9,000, so, ano na lang natin sa Newton, so, 9,810 Newton per cubic meter, times yung specific gravity ng mercury, which is 13.6, and then times, so, meter. So, dito, so, itong 724 mm, so, gawin natin, ilipat natin sa meter, so, magiging 0.724 meter. And then, itong 580 mm, so, gawin natin meter, so, 0.580 meter. Ayan, so, para uniform yung mga unit natin. So, times 0.724 meter. And then, i-minus natin yung ito sa pressure 1, which is 9,810 Newton per cubic meter. And then, times 13.6 times yung height niya na 0.580 meter. Equivalent to, ayan, 12 Newton per cubic meter times yung height ng mountain. Ayan, so input natin sa calculator, ayan, so Newton, ayan, so ito, maka-cancel na itong mga to. Ayan, so maka-cancel na, ayan, maka-cancel. So, ang matitira na unit natin is meter. So, yung height ng mountain natin, ayan. So, input natin sa calcu, 9,810 times 13.6 times 0.724 minus 9,810 times 13.6 times 0.58 Ayan. Equals, and then divided by 12. So, ang sagot dyan is 1,000. So, the answer is 1,600.992. So, dito na lang, 1,600.992 meter. So, yan yung height ng mountain natin. So, yan yung answer natin for sample problem number 33.